Hey guys, how's everyone doing today? So today I want to bring you another recall that Honda just announced. This one's kind of an add-on to what they've already done in the past on one of their certain models. So let me go ahead and get started and I'll tell you exactly what this is all about. So a while back, Honda sent out a recall that affected the 2019 to 2024 Honda Ridgelines. And it had to do with the rear view camera that's located on the tailgate on that vehicle. So I guess what happened with that one is when you constantly slam the tailgate, it could break the wire harness on it. So then eventually when you go put the car in reverse, it won't show anything. It'll just totally die. So that's definitely a safety concern. So that one, like I said, that's been a while since that one's been out. But just a few days ago, the auto safety regulator opened a recall into over 120,000 Ridgelines for the same exact thing. But the difference is these ones were built from 2017 to 2019. And they've concluded that the original rear view camera wire harness was made with the material that broke easily with the repeated opening and closing of this tailgate, and which is the whole reason they're doing a recall on it. So the good thing is Honda announced that they identified a replacement harness manufactured by a brand new supplier that should eliminate this problem of it fraying and breaking. So that's the good news, is that there's an easy fix for it. And all you have to do is make an appointment with your dealer and they'll replace the wire harness. Now, it doesn't show any particular models, trim levels, nothing like that. It's just announced that 120,000 vehicles that fall between 2017 and 2019. So if you're an owner of one of those vehicles, I would definitely pay attention to your mailbox because they normally mail the recall notices to you. And if not, you can easily call your local Honda dealer, give them your VIN number, and they can look it up in their system to see if yours is one that is affected. And that's usually the better route, which I always recommend, because sometimes the mail gets lost or you move and you don't get the mail. So calling the dealer will be the best bet. Now, this just came out on the 28th of June. So if you do have one of these cars, I would wait a few weeks before you call the dealer, just so they can get this information in their systems and then they can tell you how to go about getting it fixed. But it's definitely, like I said, an easy repair, just replacing the wire harness. And definitely can be frustrating if you're using the backup camera and you notice it cutting in and out. It could definitely be because of this. Like, it could be on its way going out because of a splice in the wire harness. So just something to pay attention to. Again, I just wanted to bring this to your attention. I know the Honda Ridgeline is a very popular vehicle that people have. So if you have one or know somebody with one, definitely relay the message to them so they can get the problem fixed and avoid an accident. Okay? So again, I hope everyone's doing good out there, having a great day. I appreciate you guys as always, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Thanks again, everybody.